Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 15 Test 1 The Writing Task 2. How to write a two-question essay. In many countries today, crime novels and TV crime dramas are becoming more and more popular. Why do you think these books and TV shows are popular? And what is your opinion of crime fiction and TV crime dramas? This 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. Now, in the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, discuss why crime books and shows are popular. In para 2, give your opinion of crime fiction and TV dramas. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now, in the introduction, describe the topic. Crime novels and televised dramas have witnessed a surge in popularity across many countries in recent times. And in this essay, I will discuss the reasons behind their widespread appeal. I will also discuss my opinion about books and television shows of this genre. Now in para 1, discuss why crime books and TV shows are popular. To begin with, books and television shows written and made on crime offer a thrilling relief from the routine rigors of everyday life. With their gripping plots, suspenseful twists, and intricate mysteries, such stories provide audiences with activating journeys into the lives of gangsters and the people who investigate and ultimately entrap them. These factors are what make books and television shows interesting and engaging to the general public. Now in para 2, give your opinion of crime fiction and TV crime dramas. I too find crime fiction and televised dramas equally entertaining and insightful. Suspenseful plots and well-developed characters keep me engrossed for hours at end. However, it is essential to stay conscious of the lines between fiction and reality. While crime-related books and shows offer a lot of entertainment and insight, they also shape our perceptions of crime and justice. It is thus important to acknowledge their entertainment value and be mindful of their potential influence on our susceptible minds. And finally, summarize the essay. To summarize, the popularity of crime novels and dramas can be attributed to their ability to provide thrilling entertainment. While I do enjoy such crime-related content, it is important to be mindful of their interpretations. Overall, crime fiction and TV crime dramas continue to captivate audiences worldwide as they offer a compelling blend of suspense, dramas, and social commentary. Now the next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. And as always, thank you for watching.